Hey everyone, this is Ed Pisani with Bounce. I do the educational workshops. We're talking about resume writing. We're into our next section, which is experience. What work experience do you have? Do you have any work experience? Either answer is okay, really. I truly believe what I say. But let's take a look at the perspective of the experience section. This is where you want to show off your work history for people to be aware where you have worked. List the companies, list the employment dates, list the positions, bullet the list of responsibilities that you're in charge of, and then go systematically, company by company, doing that. So you want to have the company name first, the city and state you want to have below the company name, and you want to have the dates that you work there. Now this is very important because when you actually put the dates down, employers are allowed to ask when they have new hires, did they work for you? When did they work for you? So if you say I worked from July 2018 to November of 2019, well, those better be the start and end dates. Because if it actually was June 2018 or October of 2019, when you actually officially started and finished your employment with that first company, they can come back and let you go. There's a lot of big corporations that do that. They won't tell you that they don't like the fact that you're showing up late or you have a little bit of a bad attitude, or you're not smiling enough as you need to be, but they will get rid of you for that because it's happened to my friends. I'm not going to name the business that it happened in, but it is in the Orlando community and it is one of the biggest ones. Okay, you want to put down your job title. Be honest. Don't fabricate the job title. If your job title was cashier, put cashier. Don't put money management control technician. Don't make up a job title. Actually use what you had. Customize the section with key achievements, skills, traits, and experience relevant to the position you're trying to go for. So don't put in something that doesn't make sense. If you were as a cashier, were in charge of bagging the groceries, getting the credit card information, getting the money, giving the exact change, making sure the work area is clean, saying hello and being responsible and trying to get everyone out in a timely manner, put that in there, but make sure it fits the job that you're going for. If you're going for an accounting job in an accounting office, talk more about the money management because that shows your accounting. Bagging stuff in a bag doesn't show the accounting office that you're capable of dealing with numbers. Unless, of course, you have to keep only 7 items in a bag, then you can sort of put that in there because it's a numeric value there. So make sure it makes you look qualified the job that you want to get from the job that you previously had. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ed, what happens if I never had a job? I'm brand new. I'm 16, 17 years old. Well, my question to you is, did you ever do any private contract work for someone? Like help them move out of their house, help them clean up or their backyard? Did you ever do something for one of your neighbors? Or maybe did you help out a church or a community organization where they may have paid you under the table, or you actually did that because, it was a family mandated thing to go help out? That is good work experience because it shows you arrived on time, you're passionate about what you're doing, you're responsible for things. A lot of people with work experience sometimes do it on a volunteer level before they actually do it for pay. A great example of that is people that are bookkeepers and secretaries at the church. They're not getting paid for that because the church doesn't have the money to pay them, but they're doing it for free. And when they do it for free, they're learning all the processes of the bookkeeping software, all the ways you need to actually answer the phone calls and be customer service oriented, making the pot of coffee in the morning, making sure all the notes in the mail is delivered to the CEO of the church. In a lot of cases, that's the pastor of the church. But the pastor can't pay you. So now you have the opportunity to go work for a small corporation doing the same exact thing. And he's going to give you an outstanding reference because he can't pay you, but he can say, man, this is the girl you need to have. This is the guy you need to have. They're amazing. I wish I had the budget to afford them. This is my loss in your gain. So make sure you put that on there. Every time you have another work experience, you want to repeat the same fashion of things. You need to have 3 bullet points, 3 responsibilities, and 3 achievements. If you can't come up with 3 bullet points, you need to really step back and think about what you did so you can come up with them. Okay, well, that talks about work experience. I know I jumped in a little bit in deep dive there, but there's a lot more that you can get from it. I hope you enjoyed this section of the resume writing experience of our workshop. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Be safe. Have a great day.